In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks for managing your financial needs effectively. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to access and utilize key features like QuickBooks checking with ease. Let's kick things off by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting needs, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this page. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to look around and note the various sections and tools available to you. It's packed with features, but we'll focus on a few key areas to help you get started. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You should see an option labeled Lending and Banking. Go ahead and click on it. This section is crucial for anyone interested in understanding their financial positions and exploring various lending options that QuickBooks offers. As you navigate through it, take note of the options available. Each section under Lending and Banking is designed to give you a clear overview of your financial resources and lending opportunities, providing you with a seamless experience to explore different financial tools. Next, we're going to delve into QuickBooks Checking. To do this, again within the Lending and Banking section, locate and click on QuickBooks Checking. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can manage your checking account with ease. Here, QuickBooks Checking provides a comprehensive view of your account balance, detailed transaction history, and other vital financial information. It's an area that offers you the flexibility to monitor your finances closely and make informed decisions. As you explore QuickBooks Checking, it's worth mentioning the importance of regularly reviewing your transaction history. This practice ensures that all transactions are accurate and that you're staying on top of your financial health. You can look at not just the transactions, but also any pending or scheduled payments, helping you effectively manage cash flow and necessary payments. Furthermore, if you're looking to streamline your processes, QuickBooks Checking seamlessly integrates with other QuickBooks features, enabling you to manage your expenses, bills, and even payroll effectively all from one place. This integration can significantly reduce the amount of manual entry required, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. And there you have it. A simple guide to help you get started with QuickBooks, focusing on lending and banking and QuickBooks Checking. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering the financial tools available through QuickBooks, providing you with better control and understanding of your finances. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy navigating!